About 2 years ago, I started doing my own gel nails at home. Since then, it's saved me about $500 per year. I was pretty amazed at how easy it is, and I think you will be too. But let's go over what you'll need. You'll need a gel lamp, nail file and a buffer, rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs, a gel base coat, a gel top coat, and a gel nail polish color of your choice. This is the brand of base and top coat that my local salon uses. It's my favorite because it makes my nails super shiny. I'm going to start off by filing and buffing my nails to my desired shape. Here's the tip. Make sure to not only file the tips of your nails, but also the sides. This will give you a clean salon-like shape. This next step is optional, but if you'd like to clean up your cuticles, this is the easiest method in my opinion. I apply a cuticle dissolver to the perimeter of my nail bed and then use a metal tool to gently scrape them away. It's painless, easy, and gets the job done. Next, I clean my nails with alcohol to make my nail bed ready for my base coat. Alright, so here I'm applying my base coat. One tip for painting with gel polish is to make sure to cap the edges, which basically means painting the tips of your nails. This will prolong the manicure and also prevent having sharp, jagged nails. Now I'm curing my nails for 30 seconds. If you're concerned about UV skin damage, you can purchase UV gloves that protect your hands. I'll be sure to link them down below. When applying your gel color, be sure to work in thin layers. This will give you more control over the color opaqueness and also create a more even distribution of color. I usually paint about 2 coats, still being sure to cap the edges. Quick tips to make your nails look like they were done at the salon. Make sure to paint the edges of your nails and leave a little bit of space between your cuticle and the color. Cure for 60 seconds and then apply as many coats as you desire, making sure to cure each additional coat an additional 60 seconds. Now it's time for the top coat. You don't need your top coat layer to be super thick. Just remember to cap the edges and coat the entire nail bed. Cure for 30 seconds. Depending on the top coat you choose, you may have to wipe your nails with alcohol. My top coat doesn't require that, so I'm all done. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.